So guys, I have received my first paycheck from YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijaku, and we are back. We are back. We are back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, you can tell from my expression. Oh my goodness. But before we start this video, guys, I'm going to be doing a 7 days YouTube challenge. I'm going to be uploading videos every day for 7 days, and I would like you guys to please support me if you can. You guys are going to enjoy this ride with me for 7 days, and I'm going to be kicking off my 7 days YouTube challenge with this very with this good news, guys. Yay! So guys, I have received my first paycheck from YouTube. Yes. After how many months? If you're seeing my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I'd love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel while you're at it. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any new video whenever it goes live. And if you're an OG and an oldie, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys make uploading here worth it. So guys, let us get into today's video. I know you guys would have been wondering, like, how much did this girl earn from YouTube? If you can remember my monetization video in May, I said a lot of things about monetization, how I was able to get monetized and how long it took me to get monetized. But I'm just going to brief you through, the processes you need to take for YouTube to be able to pay you AdSense revenue into your bank account. Before you begin to receive money from YouTube or Google AdSense revenue, you have to become a YouTube partner. So you have to get into the YouTube Partners program. And how are you able to get into the YouTube Partners program? You have to be monetized. And to get monetized, you have to have 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. And also you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be able to place ads on your channel. And that's not only that, once you've gotten your 4,000 hours threshold and your 1,000 subscribers, your channel is going to be placed under review. For me, so my channel went under review, and luckily for me, I already had an AdSense account associated with my YouTube channel, so it made the review process fast. But I'm not going to say that's one of the reasons, because I have seen people who have been under review for months before YouTube finally paid attention to them. So for me, I was lucky. I would say it was during the whole lockdown period, because at that point in time YouTube was monetizing channels really fast. People were getting reviewed and approved under 24 hours, under 48 hours. And you can actually decide to place the ads on your channel, or you allow YouTube to do the ads placing for you. For a start, you can decide to allow YouTube to do, because sometimes it might seem really overwhelming, especially when you're just starting the whole YouTube monetization thing. It might seem really overwhelming. Initially for me, I allowed YouTube to place ads on my channel, and the more ads you place, the more chances you have to earn more money on YouTube. In the past, it used to be videos that are 10 minutes longer can be able to place mid-roll ads, but videos that are not longer than 10 minutes would only have the opportunity to place ads at the beginning and at the end of that particular video. But all thanks to YouTube and their new policy and their reviewed policy, now you don't have to have up to 10 minutes long video before you can be able to place mid-roll ads. You can have 8 minutes. So if you have 8 minutes and above videos, you can actually place mid-roll ads in your videos thereby means. After that, the next thing you're going to be expecting is your Google AdSense pin. And for this registration, or the whole trying to get your Google AdSense together, is different for different countries, because I have seen and I have heard a lot of people in Nigeria say that they have to verify their identity using an international passport or any government issued ID. But here in Canada, I did not have to verify my identity here in Canada. The only thing I did was May 7th was my payment contact information. And after that, I got a mail from Google saying that I changed my contact information associated with Google AdSense on May 7th, 2020. If you haven't seen my AdSense pin video, you guys need to go and see that video. I'm going to be linking it somewhere here. Google AdSense also notified me on my Google AdSense page that they have sent out my pin and I should expect my pin in 14 days. And I was able to put in my pin into my accounts. You guys should go and see that video as well, because I was really very detailed in that video. Then on June 12th, Google AdSense also asked me to go and verify my account. So I went and I put payment information in my account and I was able to verify it. And what they did was that they sent me a few cents to my own account, to my bank account, and asked me to put in the amount of money that was sent. And you only have 3 tries. That was that was really risky and scary for me, because I really did not read the information very well. So I thought they just said to put in any amount. I didn't know I had to wait for Google AdSense money to get into my bank, to hit my bank account, so that I can put in the same exact amount of money they paid in. So I think they paid in about 80 cents or 90 cents. So I had to, and that was like the last try for me, so I had to go put in 90 cents, and that was how my bank account was verified. So Google AdSense sent me a mail saying your bank account has been verified. You can now start making and receiving payments from your bank account. You guys should, there's something you guys need to know. Google AdSense always update your account on the 11th to 15th of every month. So if you are looking at your YouTube analytics and you already see how much money you have made, and you go to your Google AdSense revenue and you find out that the money is reduced, please do wait from the 11th till the 15th. Your account, your Google AdSense account, will be updated with your recent, earnings. At one point, I was really, I was surprised and I was worried. I had to go and research on this, and I found out that for blogs and websites, Google AdSense, revenue updates on the 5th, and for YouTube channel, it updates between 11th and 15th. Google AdSense revenue is usually sent out on the 21st of every month. So if you have made up to $100 threshold for that particular month, or any equivalent to your core currency in $100, YouTube is going to send out your money on the 21st of that particular month. So whatever money you have earned, so whatever money I earned from when I got monetized till September will not be paid till October, but the money I received was Google AdSense money from when I got monetized in May till August. So on September 13th, I went to my AdSense because I told myself I wasn't going to be looking at this thing again. I wasn't going to be monitoring it because I already knew that I'd passed my $100 threshold. I was just waiting for Google AdSense revenue to update it, because on my YouTube analytics I had noticed that I passed my $100 threshold, because my YouTube account, I left the payments in USD and my Google AdSense revenue payments is in CAD. So I actually did that on purpose. So on September 13th, I went back to my Google AdSense account and just for the normal monitoring, and I found out that there was an action that needed my attention, only for me to click on it, and it says that they were not able to process my payments because I hadn't filled in tax information. And I was like, yay, what have I done? I can't even remember if I had filled that part of the information when I was signing up for Google AdSense. I really cannot remember. Immediately I had to add to my settings and clicked on the tax information, and it just required some some information there, if I was a US citizen, if I had any property or had any ties to the US, to the US, and I filled in no, and I submitted. Then I got a mail from Google AdSense saying that my tax information has changed. On the 13th of September 2020, your tax information on Google AdSense was changed. For your security, please contact us if this change wasn't authorized. On September 21st, I got a mail. Before I even noticed the mail, I went to my bank account, to do regular routine checks, my bank account, and I saw that Google had already credited me with my AdSense revenue money. So I just had to go to check my email for verification to be sure that it is the money I received. And if you haven't received your payment within 5 business days from the date of this email, please contact your bank for more details. So the money actually came in on the 22nd of September 2020, and I'm sure you guys are wondering, how much did this girl make on YouTube? Drum rolls. So guys, from May 5th, I think May 5th or May 7th, since my channel got monetized till September 22nd, as when I received my money, I made $116.64. Yes guys, that is how much I made on YouTube from May till this present time, or let me rather say from May till August. I know it may seem small to some people, but trust me, this is a whole lot, and it actually made me, in fact, when I saw the money I had earned, I think on the 5th of September or on the 11th of September, I was extremely happy. I already knew how much I was going to make, because as soon as YouTube updates that money on the 15th, and you have gotten above, you've gotten way above $100 threshold, just know that is the only money they're going to pay you. They're not going to be paying you any extra money you have earned after the 15th of September if you're using your AdSense for just YouTube purposes. I was really excited. Do you know why? I know a lot of people might say this money is too small. So after all the consistency, after all the uploading, and after all the uploading 3 times a week or 4 times a week, this is the little money you're making on YouTube. Trust me guys, I am really happy and excited, because if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, and if you have watched my monetization video, you would have heard me say that I have been on YouTube for I've been on YouTube for 5 years. Because I know YouTube sent me a mail, I can't remember the date, but I'm going to try to insert the mail somewhere here, of my anniversary on YouTube, and it made me realize that, oh, I have actually been on YouTube for 5 years, and I had not made shingbang. Like, even when I started, I didn't know people could actually make money. I think it was in 2016, that was when I knew that people could actually make money on YouTube. And I would say that hard work and consistency really paid. This year is the only year I have been consistent in my YouTube journey. The thing I have done is I have pat myself at the back and told myself, well done girl, and I am going to, this is an opportunity for me to work harder, try to ensure that my content is really engaging, because that is the most important thing. If your content isn't engaging, people are not going to be watching your video, and when people are not watching your videos, it means they are not watching the ads alongside that video. So ensure that your content is really engaging, and that is the more work I have to do for my channel. I'm going to put in more work. I'm not going to stop being consistent, because I have seen that consistency actually paid. Because the month where I took a break from YouTube, my AdSense revenue was not even close to what I usually earn every month, before I got paid. I'm just here to encourage you guys, small YouTubers just like me. Keep putting in the work. No matter how much money you make from YouTube, it's an encouragement and it's a big deal, because even on Instagram, you have been giving content for free. You have been posting videos for free. Nobody is paying you. You have been posting videos for free on Snapchat. Nobody is paying you, but now you're doing it consistently with your heart, putting in so much passion into it. Please don't be discouraged. So whatever your struggle is, stick to your struggle, do your own lane, keep being you. Don't be fake, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that I'm doing a 7 days challenge, and I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow in a new upload. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.